Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask if you guys are enjoying the content of our retro build, please subscribe, hit the like button, make a comment, and if you feel like it, become a member and throw some support my way. It really goes to help bring content and for me to finance all these pretty neat projects I got going on. Thank you. The 601 build specialty parts. Now there are some bits and pieces to this gun that are available, and they're a specialized item and they are made and you can get them at PSA. So I'm going to go over what we got here and I'll tell you the approximate value of these items. Okay, first up, waffle mag, which is correct for this gun. Okay, I think the other ones were just using the aluminum mags after the development of this gun, but the waffle mags go with this one. So that was right at 40 units. Okay, then the correct color trigger guard in there that matches the lower receiver's finish, that gray finish, that there was 15 units for that. The mag release button that's gray and will match the receiver, that was 4 units. And this one here, the 601 and early versions have this pin that is not captive. It's a specialized pin. You can get them and you need them, and there is a parts kit with these things in them, but I have a box over here full of all kinds of springs, detents, and stuff, so I want to use them up and save a little bit of money. But this thing here is 15 units, and then of course I'll get it out of the plate. The very early style duckbill 3-prong flash hider, and that's 40 units also. This is the one that they had on the 601, and then they kind of changed it, and we can see that in a different gun. But this is the correct one for the 601 model, and that was 40 units. So all in all, together, all of these wonderful specialized parts tallied up with everything, that's shipping, handling, tax, and all the other stuff, all this wonderful stuff here that we need to correctly do this build, came up to 126.09 units, which added to our other 2 components, which is the lower and the stock and handguards. Now we've reached on this project a grand total of 417.77 units so far that we've gotten. And I believe what I'm going to do, we got another group of parts that are just stock parts coming in, and we'll review them when they come in, and I'll show you what I got. And then it's going to go on to getting I'm going to get the upper all together. I'm going to get a Air Force early style upper, so it'll have the chrome thing in that, and then I'm going to change the flash hider and the charging handle, and then we should have and the hand guards. Then we'll have a 601, so that's the plan. Alright, hit the